Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The T-Roc R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS comes available in the ascot grey finish and it looks fantastic. The car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. With a clean exterior bodywork and upgraded alloy wheels, which are the 18-inch Nevada black diamond turned alloys, it complements this exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to the vehicle. Powerful new mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and a fairly spacious boot capacity, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside. As you can see, you have additional storage space and height underneath. You have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive active info display, but we'll touch on this soon. You can see we have the R-Line embroidery on the sole and flint grey interior upholstery with an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. Making our way to the multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing. And on the dashboard display, it shows key information like our driving data, audio, and our navigation. To the left hand side, you have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed while travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from. And going into our driving mode selection, we have the 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive. And making our way into Individual, here you can see we can tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. Coming into that and going into our park distance control, we have our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, which additionally can be a little bit tight. By popping the car into reverse, you get access to the upgraded rear view camera, which is a great addition to the vehicle and an upgraded one at that. You also have App Connect, which is your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer. It opens up a new perspective to the infotainment screen. Going into the heated seats, we have 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience and really elevating your winter experience at that. It's very easy to use and there's no arguments there because they're separately controlled. The dual climate control simply allows you to swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the heat and blowers. These can be separately controlled or can be synchronized with a master switch on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.